All right, guys, I'll do one more set with you before I go get my lunch. So 4.7 divided by 2, what integer is closest to that? Well, honestly, I can do that in my head, but I don't know if you can. So let's do here, 4.7 divided by 2. 2 goes into 2 twice. 2 times 2 is 4. Bring down my 7. 2 goes into 7 3 times. Because 3 times 7 is 6. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2.35. Integer, positive or negative whole number. So 2.3 will be 2. The integer closest is 2. What is the value of 10 to the third divided by 3 to the fourth minus 1? Well, 10 to the third means 10 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 times 10. That's 3 zeros. So that's 1,000 on top. 3 to the fourth power is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81, and then you have 81 minus 1 is 80. We can cancel out a 0, that's dividing by 10, so we have 100 divided by 8. 8 goes into 10 once, subtract, 8 goes into 20 2 times, because that's 16, 4, decimal 0, 8 goes into 45 times, so that's 12.5, and it says nearest tenth. Okay, so you see that 8 goes into 10 once, 8 goes into 20 2 times, 20 minus 16 is 4, bring down a decimal 1 is 0, so 8 goes into 45, 12.5. What is the greatest value for which t, 3t, is less than 260? So we want to know what's the greatest value that t could be. Well, side by side tells you to multiply, so we're just going to divide. This is just like having equals almost. So divide by 3. 260 divided by 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 3 is 24. How many 3's are in 20? That would be 7 be 21, so 6 would be 18. Got 2 remainder. Let's add a decimal and a 0. 3 goes into 26 times, so 86.6. But, okay, normally we'd round up, right? But we want a greatest integer, whole number, that can be less than 260. If I round up, it's going to be more than. If I round down, we'll be good. We can double check that with 86 times 3, because our t was 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 24, 25, 258 is below 260, so our answer is 86. 86. We get a little bit of a break with the number 4, as long as you know that there are 180 degrees in all triangles. So 85 for that angle, 40 for that angle. That is 5, 125. So 180 minus 125 will tell us our remaining angle has to be 55 degrees. Can you see that? Sorry, I gotta watch the camera here. So we had one angle at 40, one angle at 85. So that's 125. All triangles have 180 degrees. 180 minus 125 is 55. So their mean of these numbers is 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus 9 plus n equals 6, the mean. So how do we find mean? We add all of our numbers up and divide by how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oops, I gotta watch my camera. So to find mean, you add your numbers up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have to divide it by how many numbers we have. So don't forget to divide by 5 equals 6. So how can I get rid of this whole phrase being divided by 5? I'm actually going to get rid of it by multiplying by 5. Normally I tell you to undo addition and subtraction, but this is basically in parentheses. It's a whole phrase. So multiply that by 5. So that's 30. So 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus 9 plus n equals 30. Let's simplify this. 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 9 is 27, so we have 27 plus n equals 30. Subtract 27 from both sides, n equals 3. So we added them all together, simplified. 27 plus n equals 30. Subtract 27 from 30. The missing number is 3. I hope that helped.